Welcome back to the MTK Insider channel. It's mine. Today's video is my guide. You will use a tool. It's completely automated. You can post it on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or the apps that other social network is completely automated. That's by using AI tools such as GTP chat or Percility. Here it is. The tool you use today is the tool to make .com. See you in here. I'll leave a link for you in the comments. Let's the brothers create a post. Next, you will take a look at this website and you'll see that it's a series. There are a lot of templates. It's template. Here you can apply, or you can start from scratch. A good point of the .mic. You can be brothers. It integrates a lot of external apps. For example, this Telegram, this Discord, Facebook, YouTube, Google Sheets, Google DOC, and so on. So many brothers, so many things. There's a different delivery here for you. Automation of my work. Then you can take a look at some of those. Workflow in the scenario. It's up here, right? To create a scenario, I will guide you from the beginning. Create a new scenario here. Right, I've already created a scenario. It's here, right? I will explain to you from the beginning how to use this Google Sheet, the AI, and create a fake TikTok post here. First, to create a new one, you will click on the part that creates new scenario. Then you'll first click on the plus sign. It's here, so the interface here is completely intuitive, always and easy to use. Please pay attention to the instructions, follow each step. First, click on the Google Sheet here. I'm a little slow. You will then click on the Watch Euro section. First, new lines need to go to Google search. For example, I name them I'll see the link. I'll put the link papers here. For example, newspaper sources. Let me give you an example. This is the source. Article from R. From the crypto website. Take this for example. I will copy and paste. And you click here. If you come back here, you will click on the click. Here you will click on the section. The file name here is I'll switch up here. The limit is for you to be 1. You choose to click on the button. Then you save this and you click. Come here to this daily, so that £4, £12.10 is auto calculated. Ask if there is a problem. Then I read what you noticed about this output. Here is the link to the article. First of all, let's go. Next, you need to use an AI tool. Here I am. I will guide you to use GPT or Perplexity app. Click on the Create Chat section. Here it is. Here, I connected the API part. If you are not connected, you will enter the Perplexity is here. There you will. Check out your API key here. File by the credit. You will enter click on this generate section. If you have any problems, you can comment. I will guide you underneath. In part, note that this row is user content. Will need to be. I'll click on this part. Then you press the button OK. Then you press save and you press shape. See if they have placed an unread order. To test the new link, you will need to. There's a second article here that I chose. This is the second article here. For each test, you will choose a different article. For example, Brothers 4. Create information about this article, Brothers. Just paste the new link here. You will click save and you will post. The second part is here. So, check out the ABP here. You will click on the ABP here. Click on this choice here. This message here. So here's the whole post. You have to post on Facebook, Instagram. Next, you will click on Facebook. If you want to post on Facebook, you click on the Facebook page here. You also need to be the same. It's a little bit of a connection. My Facebook page is here. When you connect, you will choose message. Then you will choose the output here and there. This message content is here. You guys click on that box. You press save and you press save. Whatever the black part is, we've got an automatic part. Okay, now you guys log into your Facebook page. See if it has a post. If there is no post, I will create one. That's another article. You will click here. If not, if you continue this post, you will click on this section. Then you will run the program again. That. Very quickly, you will create a post on your Facebook page. Here it is. It's completely automatic. It's completely read. Push very fast. This is a great way for you guys. Content creation. You can create content in a very good way. That's automatic. I'm trying this tool to make things. Attract traffic for Facebook fan page. You can link a lot of tools. Here you can create an image, pictures of what I'm trying. I'm trying those features. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do you have any questions? If you want to share, let me know. If you want to share, let me know.